Hello aspirants, so we'll be continuing with our arithmetic section of MPSC Assistant Inspector of Excise. So Pinscam has already completed English section, GK section and reasoning. So let us look at the first question of arithmetic, that is question number 101. It says the slant height of a frustum of a cone having radii of 2 ends as 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter respectively and height 4 centimeter is. So we have to find the slant height. Okay, so the formula for slant height is, we all know, is L is equal to, we write slant height as L. Okay, L is equal to h square plus r square. So you can see this is the cone. Okay, so first term of a cone, so you can see there's a cone which is open on the both side. Okay, the first radius they have given as 2 centimeter, the other one is 5 centimeter, and we have to find the slant height. This is slant height, the slanted portion. We have to find the height of that one, and the actual height given is h is equal to 4. Okay, as given here 4 centimeter. So how we'll do is take this take this 2 centimeter, 2 radii means 2 radius. Okay, so this will be r1, which is 2 centimeter. This will be r2, which is 5 centimeter. Use this in this formula. L is equal to h square, that is 4 square plus c. We have 2 radius, so what we'll do is 5 minus 2. We have to minus for the smaller one from the bigger and then square it. Okay, L will be equal to 4 square is 16 plus 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 square will be 9. And 16 plus 9 is 25. So L will be how much? Root of 25 is 5 centimeter. Answer for question number 101 is option number B. So let us move to next question. There will be question number 102. Okay, so 102, the coordinates of the diameter of a circle 2 minus 5 and 2 9, then the coordinate of center. So it is saying that we have one circle and its diameter is given. Okay, so from point A is how much? 2 and minus 5. Let me draw it nicely. So this is a circle, so we all know that the line which passes through the center is the diameter. So the center, we have to find it out. Okay, suppose this is a P, this X and Y, two coordinates, and one coordinate is given as, say, A, that's given as 2 minus 5, the other one is 2 9. This is B. Okay, so what we'll have to do is use the midpoint formula. To find this one, we have to use the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, here x1 will be which one? This will be x1, this will be x2, this will be y1, and this will be y2. Just put in the formula, I'll get the answer. Okay, x1 we all know that is 2 plus x2 is 2 divided by 2, then y1 is minus 5 plus y2 is 9 divided by 2, then 2 plus 2 is 4 by 2, and minus 5 plus 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 2 will get 5, divide this 2 will get 2 and 2. So answer will be 2 comma 2. Okay, option for question number 2, answer will be option number D. Let's go for next. That is question number 103. Question number 103. For what value of k the pair of linear equation 2x minus 3 and 2kx minus 7y minus 1 equal to 0 has a unique solution? So you will have to know that to have a unique solution, what you have to know is it will be a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. When this criteria will be meeting, so we'll get the unique solution. Okay, so let us see first equation, that is 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. The other one is 2kx minus 7y minus 1 equal to 0. Take the coefficients of x, write this one as a. Okay, a1, we have two equations, so we'll have to give it as a term. Okay, this will be a1, this 2 will be a1. Okay, we don't have anything with y, so the coefficient of y will be minus 1. So this will be b1. Okay, b1 will be minus 1 and c1 will be minus 3. We have a2 as 2k both. Okay, 2k, these two are this k is not variable, we have to find this one only, and minus 7 will be your b2 and minus 1 will be your C2. Okay, so just we know to have a unique solution, what we'll have to write is as A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So A1, our A1 is 2 by A2 is 2 again, 2k. So this should be equal to B1. B1 is as I said minus 1. B1 is minus 1 by, and B2 is minus 7. Okay, see this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We have just cross multiply, apply this one, we'll get it is minus minus also will get cancelled. So what we'll have, what will be left with is k equal not equal to 7. So answer will be k not equal to 7. So for question number 103, answer will be option number C. Okay, let's go to next question, that is question number 104. So what it says is die is thrown. Die, you all know die when we play Ludo. Okay, and there is a die. What is the probability of getting a perfect square number? So perfect square number, so we all have to know a die, it has 6 numbers, right? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So out of the 6, which one of the following are perfect square? So 1 is the one perfect square and 4 is the other perfect square. So we have only 1 and 4 as a perfect square. So what is probability? Probability is favorable outcome divided by total outcome. Okay, so here our favorable will be this one. Okay, this will be our favorable, and total is how much? All this total. So what we'll do, P is favorable as see how many we have, 1 and 2, so we'll write 2, and total is how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total will be 6. So divide this 2, will get the answer will be 1 by 3. So for question number 4, answer will be option number B. Okay, so let's go to next question, that is question number 105. So 105, it says the class mark of a class 10 to 20 is, so to know the class mark, what we'll have to know is it is class mark is upper class minus lower class divided by 2. You have to do this. Okay, so upper class here is 20, the bigger number, that is 20 will be your upper class. Okay, so that is 20 minus lower class is 10. Lower class is 10, so lower class here is 10. So you divide by 2, you get how much? 30 by 2, which will be 15. Okay, so answer will be option number C for question number 105. Let's see the next one, that is question number 106. So 106 is sin x equal cos x. So when it is equal, when x then x is equal to how much? So we'll have to find sin of x equal to cos of x. We all know, you have to know the trigonometric table. So sine of 45 degree is equal to cos of 45 degree. Why? Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, right? So it will be 1 by root 2, and cos 45 also it is 1 by root 2. See, these two are equal. So answer will be how much? When this sine and cos both are 45 degree, they are equal. Okay, so let's go to next one. So answer will be option number B for question number 6. Let's see the next one, that is the area of triangle with vertices. So you all have to know that when we have 3 vertices, if this is a triangle, this is A, it is given as say 3 and comma 2 vertices, right? We just zoom it out a little bit, and this is B, this vertices is given as 7 and 0, and this one C is given as 8 and 4. Okay, so treat this one as x1, treat this one as x2, treat this one as x3. Okay, this one as y1, this one as y2, this one as y3. So we have one formula for the area of triangle when the vertices are given. So let us use that one. Area is equal to 1 by 2. You have to know this one will be, first of all, it will be x3. Okay, this is question number 7. So you have to use this formula, x1 by y2 minus y3 plus you have x2 y3 minus y1, then plus you have x of 3, then you have y1 minus y2. So you have to use this formula. y1 minus y2. Okay, close the bracket. Like I said, our x1 is which one? Now put these values. Okay, x1 y1 I have given here, so put these values. So 1 by 2, x1, our x1 is 3, multiply y2 minus y1b, y2, our y2 is 0, minus y3 is how much? It is 8 comma 4, right? So it will be 4, plus x2, our x2 is 7, again y3 is 4, minus y1 is 0, and this will be plus x3, our x3 is 8, then our y1 is 0, minus our y2 is how much? Y2 is 0. Okay, so just keep on going, simplify this one. 1 by 2, see 0 minus 4 will be how much? It will be 4 minus 4 only. 3 minus 4, just multiply 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Then we have plus 4 minus 0 here. 4 minus 0 is 4. To multiply with 7, you'll get 28, plus you'll get 8 into 0 will be how much? 0 only. So you'll be left with 1 by 2, minus plus will be minus 28 minus 12 will be how much? You'll get 16. Okay, 16 plus of 16, because you'll have to take the sign of bigger number. So what you will get, just cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, will get 8 units. Okay, 8 square unit as answer. So option number for question number 7, option number C will be the correct answer. So let's go to next one, that is question number 108. So 108, if P a by 2 and comma 4 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points, so again we have to use the midpoint formula. So the vertices given are, the coordinates given are a minus 6. So let me write it down. First of all, P, for P the coordinates are 1 by 2 and 4, a by 2 and 4. For A that's given as minus 6 and 5, and for B it is given as minus 2 and 3. Remember, so let us write it down. This will be x1, this will be x2, this will be y1, this will be y2. Okay, and this is x and y. So we have, this is the midpoint, this is the midpoint. Okay, remember, midpoint, and these two lines passes through this midpoint. Okay, so we all know what how to find this one. We know the midpoint formula. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Just put the following things, this thing in place of x1 and y1. So let us go. X1 is minus 6 plus x2 is minus 2 divided by 2. You give comma, y1 is how much? Y1 is 5 plus 3, y2 is 3, so divide by 2. So this one, minus will be plus, so minus 6 minus 2 will be minus of 8 by 2, and here 5 plus 3 is 8 by 2. Remember, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Okay, so let us go a bit we'll simplify more. So minus 8 by 2, you can cancel this one, it will become minus of 4, and you cancel this one, you'll get plus of 4. Okay, so look, now we have to find we have to find the value of a, right? So what we'll do, a, we have an x coordinate, so you can just equate this to a by 2 equal to, this is our x coordinate here, minus 4. So you cross multiply, you'll get a equal to 2 into minus 4 will be how much? Be 2 into minus 4, which would go to minus 8 answer. Okay, so for question number 10, answer will be option number A, that is minus 8. So let's go to next question. That's 109. So question number 109, the value of sine 15 degree cos 75 plus cos 15 degree into sine 75. This is a trigonometric question. So we have one identity of trigonometry. Okay, you have to remember this one identity, which says sine x cos x plus sine y cos y. So when you get this one, you can write this whole thing as sine of x plus y. Okay, you all know this one. So here you can see here, this is our x, this is our x, this one here is y, this one here is y. So can we break it down? Sine x, here you can take 15 plus y here is 75. Okay, this is in degree, so when you add this one, sine 90 degree, and sine 90 degree is how much? It is 1. It is equal to 1. Okay, sine 90 degree is equal to 1. So answer number for question number 109, answer will be option number B. Let us go to next question. So next question is 110. The quadratic polynomial having zeros as 1 and minus 2 is. So to know quadratic equation, quadratic polynomials, you have to remember one expression. Okay, how to form the expression. So these are the expression given, so you have to find out. How we'll find out? You have to remember to form an form an expression. You have to remember, you have to use this one. X square will be the first variable, then you have minus. Okay, minus of sum of the roots, or sum of zeros plus product of zeros. So product of zeros. So here you have to remember they have given two zeros, so one will be alpha. We can write alpha and beta as zeros. Okay, the first one is 1 and the beta is minus 2. So put in this one. Okay, so like I said, sum of zeros will be how much? Sum will be alpha plus beta, which will be equal to 1 plus minus 2, which will be equal to how much? 1 plus minus will be minus. What will be? Minus 1. Okay, you'll be getting as minus 1. And product of these two, product means multiplication of 0. So alpha into beta, you'll get 1 into minus 2, which will be minus 2. So put in this one, you'll get the expression x square minus, you have minus 1, sum of zeros is minus 1, plus product of 0 is minus 2. And always remember, you'll have to put x. Okay, x, because this will be also come in variable, and the product will be always in constant. So x square will be how much? X square minus, this was x. Okay, so minus will be plus of 1 into x will be x, you can write down, plus minus will be minus of 2. So answer will be option number C. Okay, x square plus x minus 2. So let's go for the next question. That is question number 111. So if P and Q are two prime numbers, then HCF of P and Q. See, HCF, what is HCF? Is highest common factor. P and Q will have only 1 as a common factor. Okay, 1 as a common factor. So answer will be which one? It will be 1. Okay, for question number 111, answer will be option number D. So let's go next. That is 112. So for the point P which divides the line segment joining the points A, 2 minus 5, and coordinate B is 5 minus 2 in the ratio 2 into 3 lines. So this for this one, you will have to remember, we'll have to use the segment formula. Okay, section formula. We'll have to use the section formula. So what is section formula? Section formula, it is m of x2 plus n of x1 divided by m plus n. This is for x. Okay, value of x. And for y also, it will be m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So you use this one. Okay, this formula. Okay, so how we'll do now? The coordinates given are for A, this 2 minus 5. Remember, this would be our x1, this will be our y1. Okay, and for B, it is given as 5 and minus 2. This will be our x2, this will be our y2, and the ratio m is to n is 2 is to 3, which means this is our m, this is our n. So put in the formula, you'll get the answer. So m, how much is it? Is 2 into x1 is how much? It's x2 is minus 5 plus n is 3 into our x1 is 5. Okay, so divide by m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. This will be one coordinate. Do same for the y. Okay, so m is 2 into y2 is how much? Minus 2 plus n is 3 into y1 is minus of 5. Okay, so divide by m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. Start with this also simplification. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10, plus 3 into 5 is 15, 2 plus 3 is 5, then 2 into 2 is minus 4, plus you'll get minus here. This will be, you'll get 3 into 5 is 15, but you get minus also, so it will be minus of 15 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, keep this one in bracket. Minus this will be 10, minus 10 plus 15 will be minus, plus will be minus 15. 15 minus 10 will be how much? 5 by 5. Okay, 5 by 5, and minus 10, 15. Okay, minus will be minus 19 by 5. So can you see this one? 5 by 5 is 1, and minus 9 by 5, 19 by 5. So this lies in which quadrant? We have to find this lies in which quadrant. So we got one x-axis as positive, we got x-axis as positive, and y-axis as negative. Okay, so you have to remember this is the graph. So this will be the first quadrant, this will be second, this will be third, and this will be fourth. So this will lie in fourth quadrant because this both is positive. Okay, first quadrant is both positive, second quadrant is negative, and then positive. X-axis is negative, and y-axis is positive. Third quadrant is both negative. Okay, and fourth quadrant is, you'll get positive, x-axis is positive, and y as negative. So we have positive here, negative, so this will lie on fourth quadrant. Okay, so question number 112 answer will be option number D. Let us go to next, that is question number 113. So 113, a pole 6 meter high casts a shadow 2√3 meter long on road. The sun's elevation is, so we have to find the angle. So see, these are all class 10 questions. Okay, so what they say, a 6 meter pole. So pole is 6 meter height, and height 6 meter, and then it casts a shadow. It will cast shadow this side, right? This will cast a shadow of 2. This will cast a shadow of 2√3. Okay, so we'll have to arrange this one. See, so this will be our shadow, and this will be the height of the pole. Okay, so what will happen is, here it is forming a right angle triangle. So when it forms a right angle triangle, we can see here that we have tan theta, which is perpendicular by base, right? So our perpendicular is 6 meter, and our base is 2√3. Okay, so on the sun's elevation, so we have to find the angle. What we'll do, we'll put this one tan theta, put our P is 6, this one P is 6 meter, and B is this one 2√3. So P I can see 6 meter, and B 2√3. Okay, so just start with the cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, so you'll have 3 by √3. Now we cannot put denominator under root. Okay, so what we'll have to do is, we'll have to rationalize it. 3√3 into √3 by √3, you'll get 3√3, multiply this 2, and √3 into √3 will be 3, so cancel. This will be the answer. Tan theta is √3. So when is the tan theta √3? Tan theta we get in √3 as 60 degree. Okay, tan theta, we have this one, tan theta is equal to tan of 60 degree. So you cancel this 10, answer will come in theta is equal to 60. So angle it is making is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. For 113, answer will be option number C. Let us go next question. Please watch the video till the end. Okay, so question number 114, it says, which number among the following is irrational? So you all know what is rational number and irrational. Rational numbers are numbers which are expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, and these two are what? These two are integers. Okay, these two are integers. So we can see A as rational number, 0.33 also a rational number, which comes the value as 1 by 3, and 6.21, this is also repeating, so it is a rational. But pi is irrational. Okay, pi is irrational. Let us go next question. There is 115, the LCM of 2-digit number and the smallest composite number. So smallest 2-digit number will be how much? Smallest 2-digit number will be, I can say it is 10. Obviously 9 is a single digit number, 10 is double digit. So and smallest composite number, smallest composite will be how much? It will be 4. Okay, because 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, so 4 is the smallest composite number. So LCM of these two will be how much? 10 and 4. 2, 5, 2, then just multiply 2 5 is 10, 10 2 is 20. So option number C will be the answer. Okay, let's go to next question. Number 116. Which term of AP is 78? So you all have done in your class, I think, AP. We have 3, this is the sequence, 3 8 13 comma s 78. So AP here, first term will be how much? A1 will be 3. We all know common difference would be 8 minus 3, which will be equal to 5. We have one formula, that is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Remember this formula, okay? For AP, to find the AP, we have to use this formula. So our an last term is how much? 78. So right, as 78 equal to a1 is our how much? A1 is 3 plus n, our n we don't know, that is what we have to find. Which term? We have to find the number of term. So n minus 1, d will be how much? D is our 5. Okay, multiply by 5. We have 78 equal to 3 plus multiply 5 into n is 5n minus 5 into 1 is 5. So you'll get 78 is equal to 3 minus 5 will be, this will be 5 and will remain. 3 minus 5 will be minus of 2. You bring this minus 2 to the other side with 78, you will get 78 plus 2, it's equal to 5n. Okay, so when you add this 2, you'll get 80 equal to 5n. You have to find n, so n will be how much? N will be equal to 80 by 5, which is equal to 16. Okay, cancel this one, get 16. So for question number 116, answer will be 16. Let's go to next question, that is 117. Okay, so question number 117 is for what value of x are points A, B and C are collinear. So to know this one, you'll have to remember one formula again that we have done already, that is for the area of triangle. So for this collinear also we'll use same formula, but it has to be equal to 0. Okay, so let us see. Let us see the points given. So for A, it is coordinates as 1 by it is minus 3 by minus 3 and 12. So this will be our x1, this will be our y1. For B, it is 7 and 6, so this will be our x2, this will be our y2. And for C, it is given as x and 9, so this will be our x3 and y3. So that this 3 coordinates is a collinear, what we'll do is we'll have to use that formula. Same again, 1 by 2, this one, okay, 1 by 2, then give bracket, we have x, we have x3, this is x1, we have y2 minus y3, the one we did in the previous question, right? Then we have plus x2 y3 minus y2, sorry, this will be y1, okay, y3 minus y1. Then we have x3, we have y1 minus y2. This has to be equal to 0. Okay, this has to be equal to 0. Can you see here? This is the same formula that we are using. So just start with the putting of the values of those distinct. Okay, so you write 1 by 2, x1 we all know it is minus 3 into y2. Our y2 is how much? It is 6 minus of y3 is how much? 9. Okay, so plus x2 here is our x2 is 7 and y3 is how much? It is 9 minus y1 is 12. Okay, then we have this will be plus in between. Okay, plus, so plus x3 is how much? X3 is x and y1 is how much? Our y1 is 12 and y2 is how much? 6. So this has to be 0. Solve, simplify now. It will be 1 by 2 minus 3. So I'll just do it directly because we are wasting our time already, so the video will be too long. So 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 will be 9. Okay, plus positive 9 plus this will be 7. 9 minus 2 is how much? 9 minus 12 is minus of 3. So plus minus we'll get minus here. Minus of 7 3 is 21, and this will be plus 12 minus 6 is 6. X into 6 will be 6x. Okay, this will be equal to 0. You can see here, so be 1 by 2. Then we have 9 minus 2, 21 will be how much? 9 minus 21 will be 9 minus 21 will be minus of 12 plus 6x equal to 0. So when you multiply this whole thing, this 2 will go to the other side. This will become 1 into all this thing will be minus 12 plus x is equal to 0. Then this will be 6x. Okay, you'll get minus 12. Bring the 6x to the other side, will be minus of 6x. Cancel minus minus. You'll get 12. Bring the 6 to the down. You'll get 12 divided by 6 of x. When you cancel this one, you'll get 2. So answer will be A. Option number A. Okay. So for question number 117, answer will be option number A. Let's go to next question. If you are not getting any question, so just repeat it. Okay, I mean rewind and watch it again. Okay, so let's go 118. The value of 10 5 degree, 10 25 degree, 10 30 degree, 10 65 degree and 10 85 degree. So how we'll do this one? So this is also again a trigonometry question. So let us change this wherever we'll see, because we know one identity, that is 10 of we all know that is 10 of say 10 of theta, cot 10 theta into cot theta is equal to 1. We all know this one, right? So we'll have to convert this thing into this picture. Okay, so let us see. Let me rub this one. So first of all, let me write a question. 10 of 5 degree, 10 of 5 degree, 10 of 25 degree, 10 of 30 degree, 10 of 65 degree, 10 of 85 degree. Okay, so I can see here, if one more thing you have to remember, to make this one as 10 as opposite is which one is cot theta. So to make this 10 5 degree as cot theta, what I'll do is 10 of and then I'll write 10, and then I'll do cot theta. No, it'll be 10 of 90 degree, 90 degree minus 85 degree. When I do 10 of 95 degree, we'll get 10 5, right? 90 minus 85 is 5 degree. So when we have to know that 10 of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Okay, cos theta. So this one will be how much? Cos of 85 degree. Can you see this 85 plus theta? I've written here cos 35 or cos theta, this 85 degree as 85. Okay, so we have to use this one. So let us convert whichever is possible. Let me convert this one only. This 10 5 degree, like I did just now, will be 10 of 90 degree minus 85 degree, and this 10 25 also we can convert this one as, we can write it as 10 of 25 degree. I can write it as 10 of 90 minus how much? 90 minus 65 will be 65 degree, right? I'll get 25. Then we have 10 30 degree is how much? 10 30 degree is only 1 by root 3. We all know. Then we have, let me zoom this one. 10 30 degree is this much, and 10 65, just keep it as it is, 10 65 degree, and then 10 85 degree. Why? Because I'll tell you now this one will be what? Be cot of 85 degree, and this will be again will be cot of 65 degree into 1 by root 3. This will be remaining 10 65 degree, 10 of 85 degree. See, this cot 85 degree, 10 85 degree. Can I write it like this? 10 85 degree into 10 of 85 degree. Then this cot 65 degree into 10 of 65 degree, and the remaining 1 by root 3. Like I said, cot theta into 10 theta will be 1, cot theta into 10 theta will be 1, and into 1 by root 3. So answer will be how much? If you multiply all this, you'll get 1 by root 3. Okay, so answer will be how much? Option number D for question number 118. So let's go to next question, that is question number 119. Okay, see question number 119. It says if the radius of a circle is double, then the area becomes how much? So you have to remember the radius is double, means this is doubled. Okay, 2r will be the radius, which is double. Now you know the formula of the formula of area of circle is how much? It is pi r square, right? You take pi r square is how much now? It should be 2 of r whole thing square. So when you multiply this one, 2 into 2 will be 4, 2 square will be 4, and r square. So you can write this one as 4 pi r square. See, is it doubled? It should be 2, it should be pi r square, but now it is 4 pi, so it will be 4 times. Okay, so answer will be 4 times 119 is 4 times. So let's go to 120. Given that HCF is this much and LCM is of this one is 252k, then the value of k, so we have to find the value of k. Remember one formula for this one, HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, product of two numbers. So you have to use this formula. HCF, like you can see, HCF of this one is how much? 40. Of this two number is 40, and LCM is how much? It's 252k. 252k, and product of this two number, you have to write this is first number, the second number, right? So product of this two will be multiply. Okay, 2520 into 6600. Okay, so let us start with cancellation now. 40 into 252k equal to, I can write this one again same, let's go into 6600. So let's bring this 40 down to this, to the right hand side. You get 252 because we need the value of k, so k is with 252. 2520 into 6600 by 40. Now we need the value of k. This 252 also will go down. Okay, so you can write it as k equal to 2520 into 6600 by 40 into, bring this 252 down, into 2520. Sorry, it's 252. Can you see this 252 and 252 is same, so it is just the 10 times 252 1. This is 10. Okay, now cancel 0 and you can cancel this 0, and you can write this one as 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, and then you have remaining 2 here. 4 5 4 6 is 24, then 2 will go, it will be 20, 4 5s are 20. When you multiply this 2, will get, this will be like k equal to 10 into 165, which will be how much? 1650. So answer for question number 120 will be option number A. Okay, so let's go to next question. That is question number 121. So 121, if TP and TQ are two tangents to a circle with center O, so let me draw one circle. This is circle with center, this is O, so that P, angle POQ is equal to 110, then P to Q. So we have two tangents. Okay, two tangents like this. Say one tangent is P, this is T, the other one is here, this will be Q, QT, like this is TP and TQ. Can you see this one? Now we have to take one radius from the center of the circle. Okay, so it will form, right, radius like this. So this angle given, you take this as origin, it is 110 degree, it is already given. This angle you can see, this is 90 degree, this is making 90 degree again, this also it is 90 degree. Okay, so we have to find this angle, that is PTQ. We have to find this angle PTQ. So we all know area of quadrilateral. So when you add all the angles of every quadrilateral, you get how much? It should be equal to sum of angles of quadrilateral is how much? It is equal to 360 degrees. So let me write an angle form, because POQ is given as, see, POQ is given as 110. Let me write it down. POQ plus one angle is this one, the other one OQT or TOQ, whichever you want to, OQT, plus you have QTP or TPQ, it's same, QTP, plus we have TPO, that's TPO. Okay, this should be equal to how much? This should be equal to 360 degree. Okay, so let me put the value now. POQ we all know it is 110 degree, plus OQ2 is 90 degree, plus QTP we don't know, that is what we have to find. QTP, keep it like this, plus TPO is how much? It is again 90 degree, should be equal to how much? 360 degree. Okay, so 110 plus 90 is 200, plus 90 is 290 degree on the left hand side, plus we have this QTP is equal to 360 degree. So to find this one, you take this 290 to the other side with 360. QTP is equal to 360 minus of 290 is plus 290 will become minus 290. QTP will be how much? If you minus this one, you get 70 degree as the answer. So for question number 121, our answer will be option number B. Okay, let's go to next question. That's question number 122. So 122, remember one of the zeros of cubic polynomial is this one, so it's -1, then the product of other two, so this would be option number C. This is a long method, so I'll not do now. Answer will be option number C. Okay, let's go next. 123, the degree of polynomial. So you have to remember the degree of the polynomial will be the highest power of the given polynomial. Okay, so highest power here will be which one? It will be 4, so answer will be 4. Okay, for question number 123, answer will be option number C. So let's go to 124. If R is the radius of a soap bubble, then the surface area of bubble is given by, so remember always, soap bubble is a sphere, so bubble is sphere. Okay, spherical shape. So what will be the surface area of a sphere? It is 4 pi r square. Okay, answer will be 4 pi r square. Okay, let's go to 125. That is, a card is drawn from the set of 52 cards. You all know playing cards. Okay, define the probability of getting a queen card. So out of 52 cards, we have 4 queen. Okay, so how we'll do is, like I said, probability is what is the probability? It is probability is favorable outcome by total outcome. Okay, total outcome. So our total is how much? It is 52, and our favorable is how much? It is 4. So put in this one, favorable is 4, total is 52. Cancel this one, 4 1s are 4, 4 13 is 52. Answer will be 1 by 13. Okay, for question number 125, answer will be option number B. Let's go to next question. That is question number 126. 126, if the mean of A and this A plus 12 is 10, then A is equal to how much? So mean is like we said, it is an average. Okay, same thing, average. So add all this one, A plus 3 plus A plus 6 plus A plus 9 plus A plus 12. Now number, this will be sum of observation divided by total number of observations. So 1 2 3 4 5, total is 5, and is given as how much? Is equal to 10, so 10. Okay, so what you will do is, see, 1A 2A 3A 4A 5A, this will be 5A plus, add all this, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 12 is 30, divide by 5 equal to 10, cross multiply, you get 5A plus 30 equal to 50, 5 into 10 is 50, then 5A will be equal to 50, bring this 30 to the other side, will be minus 30, so this will be 5A equal to 20, then A will be how much? 20 by 5, cancel, you get 4, equal to 4. So question number 126, answer is option number D. Let's go to 127. Let's go to 127. Okay, so 127, a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are respectively minus 3s. So again, like I said, see, the sum and the product of whose zeros are, sum and product is already, so alpha plus, like last question I've done, right, how to form an polynomial expression. So alpha plus beta is given as minus 3, and alpha into beta product of zeros is 2. So how to form this one? X square minus sum of zeros plus x plus product of zeros. Okay, product of zeros. So put this one, you know, x square minus sum of zeros is how much? Minus of 3 of x plus product of 0 is 2. So this will be how much? X square minus minus will be plus 3x plus 2. So option number, this is 2. Okay, this is 2. Option number C. 127 is option number C. Let's go to next question. That is question number 128. 128, it says the line 9x plus 2 and 18x are equal to 0 are we have to find if it is a coincident line, parallel lines, intersecting lines, and so let me write the equation. That is 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, and 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. See, this equation 1 and equation 2, it is almost similar. Okay, when you divide this whole thing by 2, you'll get a 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Can you see, if you divide 18x by 2, you'll get 9x, 6y by 2 will be 3y, 24 by 2 will be 12. So equation 1 and equation 2 are equal. So equation 1 and equation 2 are equal. Since they are equal, it will be a coincident line. Okay, clear? Let's go to next question. That is question number 129. Okay, so 129, the quadratic equation 2x, let me write it down, 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 has, so we have to know if it is a real and equal roots, real and unequal imaginary roots, and none of the above. So remember one thing, we can use to find the roots are real, equal, unequal, imaginary, we have to know one thing, that is discriminant. Okay, discriminant formula, MINANT. Okay, discriminant formula, which is b square minus 4ac. So this b square minus 4ac, when it is less than equal to 0, we get imaginary roots. When this is equal to 0, we get 2 equal roots. Okay, 2 equal roots. Okay, 2 real roots. Okay, and then when it is greater than 0, we get unequal roots. Okay, unequal roots. Clear? So let me find this one. To find this one, we have this formula, b square minus 4c. Let us see what we get. Treat this one as a, this one as b, this one as c. So use this formula, b square minus 4ac. In this one, our b square will be minus 4 square minus 4 into a is how much, 2, into c is 3. So minus 4 square will be 16, minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24. So can you see, when you minus 16 minus 24, we will get minus 8, which is less than equal to 0. Hence it is less than equal to 0, so it will be an imaginary root. When discriminant is less than 0, it will be an imaginary root. Remember. Okay, let's go to next question. That is question number 130. So still left with 20 questions. The value of k for which quadratic equation 2x square has equal roots. Again, same thing. When will it have equal roots? Okay, let us see. Solve this one. 2 let me take the pen. 2x square, this is the given equation, kx plus 2 equal to 0 has equal roots. We have to find it has equal roots. Again, do same. This is a, this is b, this is c. Okay, use the discriminant formula, b square minus 4ac. Here b square will be k square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 2. So you can see k square, this should be equal to 0. Okay, k square minus 4 to 8 to 8 16 is equal to 0. Then you have k square equal to, take this minus into the other side, will be plus 16. Then this will be how much? K is equal to root over 16. So you will get k is equal to plus minus of 4. So answer will be plus minus of root 16 is how much? It is 4. Okay, so plus minus of 4. Answer will be option number A. Let's go to next. That is question number 31. 131. So 131, it says the number of 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Can you see here? This is very easy. You'll only have to find the number which is divisible by 3. Is 20 divisible? No. By 3. 30, it is divisible by 3. 40 is not divisible. 50. So the answer will be option number B. Okay. 132. Question number 1. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row. So let me write first row. It has 23 rows. Second we have 21 rows and 19 in the third row. So third we have 19 rows. Then there are 5 rows plants and 19 in third row, and so on, and it goes on. So it goes on. There are 5 plants in the last row. So last row it has how much? Last row it has 5 rows. Okay, so can you see it is forming an arithmetic progression? It is forming a series. We can write this series as 23, 21, 19 till 5. Okay, so here our A will be how much? A1 will be 23, D will be how much? 21 minus 23, which is equal to minus 2, and our AN will be how much? It will be 5, because that is the last term. Use that formula again, same formula. Can you use the formula? It will be AN equal to A1 plus N minus 1 of D. So put this thing here. AN is our 5, A1 is how much? It is 23 plus, okay, this will be plus, and our N we have to find which term, into D is our minus of 2. So simplify this one, you'll get the answer. Okay, simplify this one, you'll get 5 is equal to 23. Then see, minus 2 into N, so it will be minus of 2N minus plus 2 into 1 is 2. So you go on, 5 will be 5, so be 23 plus 2 will be 25 of 2N. Then you bring 25 to the other side. 5 minus 25 will be equal to minus 2N. This will be, let me write it down here. Okay, this will become minus 5 minus 25 will be how much? Minus of 20, equal to minus of 2N. So minus gets cancelled. You will need to find the value of N. N will be how much? 20 will come above and 2 will be below. Okay, so N will be how much? Will be 10. So option number B will be the correct answer for 132. So let's go to next, that is 133. The common difference of an AP is 32. So you can see here A18 minus A14 is how much? 32. Can you see here? So you have to break this one, A18 first. A18 can be written as A plus 17D. Okay, and A14 can be written as A plus 13D. When you mix these two terms, you'll get A18, and when you mix this one, you get A14. Okay, so what we'll have to do is we put in this equation now. For A18 is A plus 17D, and you have minus of A plus 13D. This is equal to how much? It's equal to 32 as given according to question. Break it down. A plus 17D minus A plus minus 13D equal to 32. Solve this one. This A and A gets cancelled. Plus 17 minus it will be 4D equal to 32. So we have to find value of D, 32 by 4, which is equal to 8. Okay, so answer will be option number A. The common difference for this one will be 8. Okay, so 134. Let's go for 134. That is which of the following cannot form a right triangle? So to form a triangle from this 3 options, I can see option number D is not possible. Okay, so 134 will be option number D. Let's go to 135. So let's go to 135. In a single throw of 2 dice, the probability of getting a total of 8. So how we'll do this one? Wait, okay. In a single throw of 2 dice, so we have 2 dice now. Like I said that time, dice consists of how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6, but this time they are throwing 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in a single throw of 2 dice, the probability of getting a total of 8. So the probability of getting total of 8. So can you see here? We have to make some pairs. Can I do 1 plus 6? It makes 7. So 1 is not possible. You go with 2 plus 6. when you have 2 and 6 at the same time, it will make 8. Then we have 3 and 5, it makes 8. Then you have 4 and 4, it makes 8. Then you have 5 and 3, it makes 8. Then 6 and 2, it makes 8. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5. Can you see here? 5 and 2 dice. It means one dice has 6 numbers, the other has 6 numbers. You have to multiply this one, you get total 16. So this will be the total outcome. This whole thing will be your favorable outcome. Okay, favorable outcome. So we know probability is how much? Favorable outcome by total. So favorable our is 5. See, 1 pair, 2 3 4 5 5, and total is how much? 36. So answer will be this much, 5 by 36. Okay, so for question number 135, answer will be option number A. Okay, so let's go to 136. So question number 136, it is saying question number 136, alpha and beta are the two roots of quadratic equation, and this one. So then A is equal to how much? So we have two equation here, x square plus 5x plus a equal to 0. The other one is 2 alpha plus 5 beta minus 1 is equal to 0. You can write this minus 1 equal to as 0. Okay, so we have to find the value of A. So how we'll do this one is question number 136. So 36, can you see? When you start solving this 2, you'll be getting answer as minus 24. Okay, this is also again a long process, so I'll not do this one. Okay, it'll take so much time. It's already almost 1 hour completed. So let's go to next. For 137, it is the distance of the point P4 from the origin is. So you can see the point given as P4 and 3. What is origin? Origin is 0 and 0. Using distance formula, use distance formula for this one. Distance formula, it is distance formula as written as minus x1 x2 minus x1 of square plus y2 minus y1 of square. Okay, so our x1 is this one, x2 is this one, y1 is this one, y2 is, so put this one in this formula, we get x2 like I said is 0 minus x1 as 4 whole thing square plus we have y2 as 0 minus y1 as 3 whole thing square. So we get minus 4. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4 only. 4 minus 4 square will be 16 plus 0 minus 3 is minus 3. 9 3 square is 9. So we'll get root over 25. So what is the root of 25? That's 5 units. Okay, so answer will be for option number 137 will be option number C. Okay, so let's go next. That is 138. 138, volume and sphere, surface area of sphere are numerically equal, then radius of the sphere. So remember, volume of a sphere is how much? Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, and area of a sphere is how much? Surface area is how much? It is area of surface area is 4 pi r square. Remember, this is, we are talking about sphere. Okay, so the volume and surface area of this are two are equals, then the radius. So we have to find the radius. So let us do this way. This 4 by 3 pi r cube. Since this this both are equal, we'll get like this, right? So start with the cancellation. You need the value of radius, right? Then the radius of the sphere, because they are asking radius. So what you'll do, multiply 4 pi r cube. This 3 will go to the other side. This will be 3 into 4 pi r square. Okay, this will come 4 pi r cube is equal to 3 into 4 is 12 pi r square. So start again with the cancellation. Can you see we need r, right? So r cube will be equal to how much? 12 pi r square by 4 pi, right? So let me zoom it out. Can you all see this one? Zoom a bit. So can you see this one? This is 4. Now we need r square, right? So bring this r also to the down. When you bring this one to the down, it become r cube by r square is equal to 12 pi by 4 pi. Can you see this pi cancel? 4 and 4 3 is 12. So, and this, see, there's 3 q r, right? R into r into r here, r into r, so this 2 gets cancelled with this 3. Okay, so answer will be how much? R will be equal to 3 units. So answer for option number, for question number 138, option number D. Okay, so let's go to next, that is question number 139. So 139, it says the value of k for which x 2x plus x, one is x, other one is 2x plus k, and the other one is 3x plus 6. Three consecutive terms. Since there are 3 consecutive terms in AP, what we will do, we'll use this middle one, okay, as an main factor. So we'll minus this one, 2x plus k, minus with this x first. Okay, clear? The other one, again we have plus 2x plus k minus sorry, this will be the bigger one. Take the bigger one first. This will be 3x plus 6 minus of 2x plus k. Okay, then this will be, it should be equal to how much? It should be equal to, so we'll have to find this one. Okay, so this 2 should be equal, this both are should be equal, so that we can find the value of k. Now simplify, you'll get 2x plus k minus x is equal to 3x plus 6 is minus 2 into 2x will be minus 2x, minus plus will be minus of k. Okay, so you bring to the other side those variables which are equal. So I can see 2x, if I bring this 3x to the other side, will be minus 3x plus k, then minus k will be plus k again to the other side, minus x plus 2x, this will be equal to 0. Okay, then this minus, this will be minus of x, this will be 3x and minus 2x. Okay, so this will be minus x, then we have 2x minus 3x. Okay, then this will be plus 2k, then we have plus 2x, minus x, 2x will be again minus x. Okay, so minus plus is minus, 2x minus x will be how much? It should be plus of x equal to 0. So can you see this minus x plus x get cancelled? We have 2k equal to 0. We get 2k equal to did I make some mistake somewhere? Minus x plus 2x will be x, this will be x, plus this will be minus 3x, k plus k is 2k, and then we get 2x plus k minus x, 2x plus k minus x equal to 3x plus 6 minus 2x minus k, we get x plus okay, this one I made a mistake here, sorry. Since it's a long video, even I'm tired, so let me do it again. Okay, so you can see here, this will be 2x minus x will be x only plus k. Okay, I made this mistake. And we have 3x minus 2x will be x, then we have plus 6 minus of k. Okay, then you bring this x to the other side, it will be x minus x, then we have plus k, then other plus k equal to 6. Okay, then we have this cancels, k to k equal to 6, then we need the value of k, so this will be k equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Okay, answer will be option number A for 139. So let's go to next, that is 140. So 140 is the point on x, on it should be x axis. Okay, x axis which is equidistant from points minus 1 and 0 is so equidistant. Again we have to use the distance formula. The given points are, say this will be for x axis, so for x axis we have only one coordinates as x and the other one as 0. Okay, the other given points are, say a is minus 1 and 0, then for other one, that is for b, that is 5 and 0. So like I said, x1 this will be y1, this will be x2 y2. Use distance formula just now we have used, right? Distance formula, make a note of all this. Okay, it will be very important for you all. So distance formula is 1 root over so distance formula is x square, this will be x again just let me wait. Okay, x, it should be x2 minus x1 whole thing square, then we have plus y2 minus y1 whole thing square. and then we have just put the formulas. It will be x2 is how much? X2 here is 5 minus x1 here is minus of 1 whole thing square, and we have plus y2 here is 0 minus y1 here is 0 whole thing square. So we'll be getting this one as okay, there's a mistake, okay, because this x-axis is equidistant with these 2 points, right? So we have to do this one separately using distance formula only, but we have to make a separate one. That is, we have to use first this one with xa, okay, this will be xa. So we will take x1 for this one will be y1, x2 y2, okay. Then again for the other part we'll do with x and 0. So this will be like this, okay. This will be x of p. So using first distance formula for this one, the other distance formula for this one, then we'll put in the formula, okay. So let me write it down as this, if you're confused with x, let me write it down as p. So we'll do this one as pa square equal to pb square. You do like this, okay. So you'll get pa square. If you use the distance formula on this one, you'll get let me do it directly, okay. You'll get x plus 1 whole thing square is plus 0. This will be equal to this one, okay. So it will be x minus 5 square plus 0. So we'll get x plus 1 whole thing square, this one as x square, this square gets cancelled here, x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to this one also, this is like cancel. So you get x square minus 10x plus 5 square is 25, okay. So this x square, now just arrange x square minus x square, this x square will come to the other side, plus 2x, this minus 2x will come, so it will be 10x plus 10x plus 1 minus 25 is equal to 0. So next part will be just simplify, okay. This one will be x, this gets cancelled, this 10x 2x plus 10x will be 12x, this plus minus will be minus 1 minus 25 will be minus of 24 equal to 0. So you need the value of x, right? So 12x will be equal to, then the other side will be minus 24 will be plus 24, then you get x is equal to 24 by 12, cancel this one, get 2. So x will be how much? 2. So x-axis is 2 and y-axis is 0. So the coordinate will be option number B, okay. For answer question number 140, answer will be option number B, that is 2 and 0. Let's go to next question, that is question number 141. 141, a number is selected at random from 1 to 30, the probability that it's a prime number. So prime number from 1 to 30 will be which one? It will be 1 is 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, then we have 11 as a prime number, 13, 17, 19, we have 23, and then the last one will be how much? 29, okay. So how many? This will be the favorable outcome, okay. Favorable outcome, because we're talking about probability. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, we have favorable outcome as 10, okay. Then the total number is how much? Total is 30, right? So use probability, that is favorable by total. So favorable our is 10, total is 30, cancel 0 0, we'll be getting as 1 by 3. Answer will be 1 by 3 for option number for question number 141. Answer will be option number C, okay. Next question, that is question number 142. If the nth term of an AP is 2 and plus 1, then the sum of the first n terms of an AP is so sum, you have to remember sum, okay. Sum of an AP is n by 2. This is also written as Sn, n by 2. Then we have a plus n by then we have n by 2, then we have a1 plus an, okay. So you have to use this formula. First of all we have to find the common this an, okay. So how we'll find? Let's take n is equal to 1 in an. So how we'll do is, first n, substitute this n in this equation, okay. So what we'll get is, so a1 plus this will be a1 plus n, no. So, and okay, I've forgotten one thing, that this an is equal to how much? 2n plus 1. You have to remember this one. Okay, this is already given right here, 2n plus 1. So an is 2n plus 1. So substitute it, and in this one you'll get an equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. So an will be how much? An equal to 2 1 2 plus 1 is 3. An is 3. So let us put in this equation directly, an is 3. So so a1 is, this will be a1, okay, not an. I'm very tired. So this will be an, a1 is 3. So put in this one, you get Sn is equal to n by 2. Then our a1 is 3 plus an is 2n plus 1. Okay, so it will be Sn is equal to n by 2, 3 plus 2n plus 1. Okay, then you have Sn equal to n by 2, 3 plus 1 is 4. This will be 4 plus 2n. Okay, so when it is 4 plus 2n, we have to multiply now. Sn is equal to this will be n by 2 into 4 plus, multiply this, okay, using distributive formula, n by 2 into 2n. Okay, so you can see, you can cancel this one 2. So Sn will be how much? Will be 2n here. This one is 2n plus this cancels, so n will be n square. So Sn will be how much? Can you just write in this factorized form? So this will be n is common here, so n is common, you can 2 plus n. So we have n 2 plus n. Where is that? N 2 plus n, option number B. Okay, so answer for question number 142 will be option number B. Let's go for next, that is 143. Let's go for next, is 143. The perimeter of a triangle whose vertices are, so perimeter, what is perimeter of a triangle? If it is the triangle ABC, so vertices, now it has already been given the vertices. Okay, so what are those? 0 and 4. B is how much? 0 and 0, and C is how much? 3 and 0. Okay, so vertices will be A plus B plus C, right? All the sides A plus B plus C, so it will be AB plus BC plus CA, right? This will be the perimeter of this triangle. Clear? So this triangle, so what we have, this will be, we add 4 plus 3, and I think we have to use the distance formula only here also, because we are measuring the distance, right? So first of all we have to find for AB. So AB will be how much? If you take the distance of this 2, you will get x2, take this one as x1, y1, x2, y2. So when you use this formula again, then do for BC, then C, so finally you'll get the answer as 5. Okay, get the answer as 5. Use distance formula. Okay, use distance formula and do it. Find for AB, then BC, then CA, then add all this, you'll get the answer. Okay, let's go to next question, that is question number 144. The perimeter of a circle is equal to the perimeter of square. Okay, what is perimeter of circle? Perimeter is also a circumference of a circle. Okay, so it will be 2 pi r, which is equal to how much? 2 pi r is equal to if the perimeter of square is equal to the perimeter of square, so perimeter of square is how much? It is 4a. So then the ratio of the area, so what will be the area? This is the perimeter. Okay, then what is the area of a ratio? You have to find the area. Pi, area of circle is pi r square, and this area of this one is side square is a square. Okay, so let me find the radius first, then we can put it inside this one. Okay, so what we'll do is, so if whenever you can cancel this one, let me just rub this one first. If you can cancel this 2, you can find here, you can write r is equal to 4a by, bring this 2p down to pi. Okay, 2 of pi, so you cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so r will be how much here? It will be 2 of a by pi. Okay, okay, next, what did they say? The area of circles are, area of circle and area of square are in the ratio. So area of a circle, if I write pi r square divide by, ratio is division, right? So pi r square, and area of this is side square. Okay, So can you put this one, pi will be pi into, and to this r, can you put this one, 2a by 2a by pi whole thing square, and this thing pi, this a square will be a square only. So what we'll have, what we'll left with is, okay, so let's start solving this one only. This one is just the ratio I've written, and then I've putting this formula for value of r in this one. Okay, so this will come as pi into 2 square will be 4, a square will be a square, and this will be pi square divided by a square, right? This one cancels with this one. Okay, so we are left with 4a square by pi by a square, right? Now this is this one, so what we'll do is 4a square by pi into, if nothing is there, you can write 1 by a square, right? So you cancel a square and a square gets cancelled, you are left with 4 by pi. So what is pi? Pi 4 by, can you write 22 by 7? Okay, so can you write 4 by 22 by 7? Now again do same thing, if nothing is there below 4, you can write, and then this reciprocal of this one. 22 cancel, 4 1s are 4, 4 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 11 is 70. Multiply 270 is how much? It will be 14 by 11. So look at the ratio of 14 is to 11. Okay, for question number 144, answer will be option number B. Let's go 145. Question number 145. This is similar question that I've done previous. It says 11 times of the 11 term of AP is equal to 7 times just as a 18 term, then it's 18 term. We have to find the 18 term. Okay, so to find the 18 term, first of all we'll have to make the equation right. Okay, so how we'll do for 11 number 145. Okay, so let me write this 11 term as, can we write this one as a plus 10d, and for the 7th term, can I write this one as a plus 60, right? So when these two are equal, they said 11 term and 7th term are equal, so a plus 10d is equal to a plus 60, right? So start with the solution solving. So it will be a plus 10d equal to a plus 60. Simplify this one, you'll get a minus a plus 10d minus 60 equal to 0. Again, this gets cancelled. It will be 4d equal to 0, and d will be equal to how much? It will be 0. Okay, so answer for this one is d equal to 0. So therefore 18 term will be, how we'll write 18 term? Can you write 18 term as a plus 17d? So put this d in place of 17, you'll get a plus 17 into 0, right? 18 equal to a plus 17 d. So 17d, can you write this one? And this a is already, we know the 7th, we know this 17 term, right? So we can write this one as 7, wait, 18 term d, I got it as 0, right? So did I make mistake somewhere? A it is 2 are equal, 11a, 11a. Okay, I made a mistake. Should be 11 multiply, right? We'd also have to multiply this one. We do it again. Okay, so this is also the 11 times, like said in the question. You can see here 11 times the 11 term. So 11 times the 11 term, and 7 times the 7 term. So when you equal, so it will be 11 of a plus 10d equal to 7 of a plus 60. If you multiply, so you get 11a plus 11 into 10, 110d equal to 7 into a, 7a plus 7 into 6 is 42d. Now you bring this 11a minus 7a to the other side, plus 110d minus 42d equal to 0. You get 4a plus will be plus, so it will be plus of 110 will be 10 minus 2 is 8, minus this 110 and 42 will get 10 minus 4 is 68 equal to 0. Okay, so can you do this one? A equal to, for a equal to minus of 68, when you have a, you need the value of a, so 68 by 4 in cancel, you'll get 1, so 4 7 28, so it will be minus of 17. So a equal to minus of 17. Okay, so let me find which one now. Then it's 18 terms, so 18 term will be how much? 18 term, can we write it as a plus a 17d, a plus 17d, right? We can write like this, right? Then 18 term will be a is how much? 17 plus this will be how much? 17 into d. So 17, we have to find the 18 term. 17 into d, right? 17 into d, clear? So what we'll do now is 18 term will be equal to minus 17, d is 1, so d is 1, right? So can we write 7 plus 17? So this will be how much? 18 term will be 0. Okay, so answer will be option number D for 145. Let's go to next, that is 146. So it's almost 1.5 hour completed. Let's go to next, that is 146. Okay, 146, the total number of outcomes if two dice and coin are tossed. Again, same thing. Okay, when we have two dice thrown at the same time, what we'll get? It will be 6 into 6. Total outcome will be how much? Be 36, right? Total. Yes or no? And if we have a toss, if you have to toss a coin, you'll get how much? You'll get this will be 6 into 6, and we'll get 2 times, right? Total coin will be how much? Total will be coins will be 2 times. Total outcomes for dice will be 36, right? So total 2. So when you multiply this, because they need simultaneously, you have to throw this to 36 into 2 will be how much? Will be 72. Multiply. Okay, just multiply, get answer as option number B, that is 72 for question number 146. Let's go to next, that is question number 147. So which of the following can be the probability of an event? So event, see, for event, okay, you always have to remember it should be less than 0. Okay, so sorry, less than 1. Okay, it should be less than 1. In probability, event is always less than 1. So if you divide this, you'll get around 1.5. okay, but when you divide this also, you'll get 1 point something. Then this also, when you divide this 4 by 3 also, you'll get 1 point something, because c1s are 3. But when you divide this one, you're getting around 0, 0, 0, something which is less than. So answer will be option number B. Okay, correct answer will be option number B for 147. Okay, clear? Let's go next, that is question number 148. 148, if 10a cot 30 plus a, then is equal to how much? So it is given as can you see this one? Let me just bring down. So 10a, it is given as 10a equal to cot of 30 degree plus a. So 10a will be how much? 10a, can I write it as 10 of 90 degree minus 30 degree plus a? Can I write like this to make it because cot theta is cot 30 plus a, I can write it as 10 in the form of 10, right? When we'll write it is as 90 minus this whole thing as theta. Okay, so this will be 90 minus theta as cot theta. So can I write this one as 10a equal to 90 minus 30 is how much? 10 of 60 minus plus minus of a, right? Can I write like this? So can we do now 10, sorry, this will be 10 of a equal to multiply 10 60 minus 10 of just multiply 10 60 10a. Okay, so you'll get like this. Now can you bring 10a, the other 10a to the other side? Will be 10 of a equal to 10 of 60 degree, so it will be 2 10a equal to 10 of 60 degree. Can you bring this 2 to the other side? It will be 10 of 60 by 2, which cancels, will be 30. So 10a equal to 10 30 degree. So 10 gets cancels. It will be equal to how much? It will be 30 degree. Okay, it will be equal to 30 degree. Answer will be 30 degree. Let's go to question number 149. That is 1 0 of a quadratic polynomial and find the value of k. It's same. Okay, you do it by yourself. for 149, answer will be option number 2. Okay, so option number will be my option number B. Okay, option number B. So 149 is option number B. So it's same way, you have one take it as alpha, and then other one you have to find the beta. Okay, and find the value of k. So let's go to question number 150. That is the area of a circle that can be inscribed. So inscribed means what? You have a square and circle is inscribed inside this. So can you treat this whole thing as a diameter of square, right? I mean diameter of a circle. So now when you use the formula, it will be how much? If inscribed side is 10 centimeter, if this is side of a square is 10 centimeter, so the whole thing will be 10 centimeter. Radius of a circle will be half of this thing, then it will be how much? 5 centimeter. So you'll have to find the one area of a circle. So when you find the area of a circle, this how much? This pi r square, right? When you find the area of a circle, will be pi r square, which is 22 by 7 into you'll get 5 into 5. When you do 22 by 7 into 25, can you see this 27 is pi into 25, so answer will be how much? 25 of pi. Okay, so option number C will be the correct answer for question number 150. So we have come to the end of this question solving of MPSC Assistant Inspector of Excise. So I hope you will get the answer key and check if it is correct for you all or not. Both of us have done this complete question paper. We have also solved the question. Will be the first one, I think, in YouTube to solve the complete questions. Okay, and prepare well for other exams. Thank you so much.